I'm very happy to welcome Juan, Oracle Executive Vice President. Mr. Loaiza, what is your area of responsibility at Oracle?
I run engineering for mission critical databases at Oracle. I've been doing that for many years.
Many customers are asking, why is Oracle Database 23 AI for Linux on-prem and not available? For Exadata, it is available. It's also Linux. What is the difference of the versions?
The big difference is we're following a cloud-first strategy. So we first released it in Oracle Cloud with Autonomous Database on our Exadata service. We released it in Cloud at Customer. Then we've released it on Exadata and Oracle Database Appliance. For on-prem, we've also released it in multi-cloud for things like our multi-cloud with Azure and Google and soon with AWS. For on-prem, so far we've released our free version of Oracle Database, so that has the full content that developers and DBAs can start trying. And we'll release our full on-prem Linux version at a later time.
In the beginning of Oracle, the Oracle Database was a single product of Oracle. Today, Oracle have many products. What significance does the Oracle Database have today for Oracle?
Yes, Oracle's expanded over the years. Actually, we've been a very strong applications player for many decades. So right now we have three main generic products at Oracle. One is the database. That remains one of the three major pillars of Oracle. The other one is apps, and we've switched a lot to running Fusion apps, SaaS apps. And then the third thing is our cloud technologies, our cloud platform that now runs with Google, Azure, and soon with AWS also. So those are the three main products. Database remains one of the main products in there, and we also have our Apex development on top of that. So Oracle has the full stack from cloud to database to apps, and we're kind of unique in that. There's no other cloud vendor at all that can run the entire product stack, and that gives us a lot of advantages in the market.
Okay, from my perspective, I'm a database administrator. The database is the most important thing I have to do. And for the future development of the Oracle database, what are the three main goals underlying the development?
Yeah, so there's a lot of goals for Oracle development. I mean, we have to maintain our mission critical technologies. We're expanding that with things like our autonomous distributed databases. We're providing more Exadata functionality, a lot more functionality in RAC and in Data Guard. So we're doing all our traditional mission critical database technologies. We're also expanding a lot on the analytics side with our autonomous database and all the integrated platforms. We're lately focusing a lot on developers as well, making the development platform really powerful with things like JSON relational duality and other technologies. And then the other big thing that we're focusing a lot on is artificial intelligence. That's clearly the next big thing for the entire industry. So we're putting a lot of efforts into that. So we encompass all these different areas and much more. And with our converged database, which is really our overall strategy, is we want to run everything really well, all the data types, all the workloads, AI, mission critical, easy to use, and low cost. So all that is things that we're focusing on. You know, we have a very large engineering team. We have over 6,000 people in our engineering team. So we're able to do many things at the same time. And our goal is, satisfy all these needs of customers.
Can you take a look to the future? AI, you said it is come more and more. What will be the next important AI feature for the Oracle database?
We're doing a lot of things with AI. In the core database, we've introduced a lot of AI capabilities like AI vector search and RAG. We also have a lot of ML algorithms. We put AI through the entire stack. And the other area that we're really focusing on is using AI to develop apps. So we're adapting the database to suit AI because we believe that if you just take AI and run it on top of our existing technologies, it's not going to work well. So we've done a lot to work in the database so that we can simplify and modularize the database so that AI can take much better advantage of it. So that's another big area. And then our Apex application development is becoming more and more important over time. We think that's the future of development. For most development will be low code, and we're integrating AI very heavily into that and kind of re-architecting kind of the way it works to make it much more AI-centric, AI-friendly. So all these things are big focus areas for us.
Today, Oracle will motivate customers to use the Oracle Cloud or since last Cloud World, other cloud vendors. My observation in Germany is not so many customers will use the cloud. In future, will Oracle develop and support the Oracle database also for on-prem or only for the cloud?
Our strategy is to be everywhere. So we've been on-prem forever. As you know, about 15 years ago, we introduced our engineered systems, Exadata. So we have that as well. Then we introduced Oracle Cloud. Now we've turned that into multi-cloud. So it's available, our Oracle Cloud and Exadata, database, AI technologies, everything is available both on our cloud and in Azure and in Google and in AWS soon to come. So our strategy is to be everywhere customers want and to give them a choice. So customers can choose just to take the software, they can choose our engineered systems, they can choose our cloud, they can choose a third vendor's cloud. Wherever our customers are, we're going to be there. And that's going to continue. We have a very large Oracle installed base on premises, and we have many customers that want to stay that way. And we have a lot of customers that are doing a combination of cloud and on-prem, and that's shifting. Some customers that were going all cloud have now decided for many of their apps, it's actually more cost effective to do on-prem and just do certain parts of their application in cloud. So this mix is going to continue to shift. I don't think on-prem is going away, anytime in the foreseeable future. So I don't think anyone has to worry about us de-supporting on-prem.
What do you think? In which way will the company Oracle develop itself during the next years?
Well, we've kind of set our strategy, and it's very difficult to predict the future. If you'd have asked me 20 years ago, would Oracle be a hardware vendor? I would have said no. Oracle's a software company. 20 years ago, there was no such thing as cloud. We had AI 20 years ago, but it was very primitive. So the technology is evolving very rapidly. One of the great things that I enjoy doing myself and that Oracle's very good at is keeping up with whatever new technology appears, right? So when cloud comes into the market, we adapt cloud. We become a leading enterprise cloud vendor. When AI appears in the market, we do that. So this is why Oracle is still around after almost 50 years in the market, because we're very agile at changing with when the technology changes. Most of the competitors, when I started Oracle, people like Sybase and Formix, they're gone. They don't even exist anymore because they weren't able to adapt this quickly. So we've always been very good at that, and that's something that we continue to do in the future. Become a leader in whatever new technologies come into the market. And so that's what we're going to continue to do.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Happy to be here.